What's up, y'all? Got my driveway fixed. Slick Rick did it.
About to hit the dance floor. Show you how we do it down in Charleston. Hey, let's go.
Gonna fix me up. Now the grass gonna grow up on it and make it give it even a harder foundation.
Well, that sound right, folks.
What's up, y'all? We got one more little spot here. We just took care of that spot right there. We got one more little spot over here on this side. Oh. Yeah. Y'all see that driveway right there? See this right here? Every time I pull my car out on that carport right there, I got a big little bump right here, so I'm trying to get it covered. Trying to get it.